Good evening. Welcome to Acada Online, where young minds unlock their creative potential through Scratch programming. Let me rephrase myself. Welcome to Acada Online. Acada Online is a premier distance learning platform for aspiring learners. This video, this clip, this information we are dropping right now is for our summer free coding Scratch programming course or module. So, in this Scratch programming and in Acada Online in particular, young minds will unlock their creative potential through Scratch programming, and they can access that at at Acada Online. Your child can learn Scratch for free using our comprehensive resources, exploring coding through fun, interactive projects. For parents seeking personalized guidance, our paid service offers expert support to guide your kids, fostering problem-solving skills, logical thinking, and creativity. With Scratch, children can gain confidence in coding, preparing them for a tech-driven future, all from the comfort of your home. So let's just dive into the business of today. So this is just an introduction on how to benefit from the Scratch programming. We are going to help kids from the ages of 6 to 16 this summer. So when you come to acada.online, you go to courses. If you go to courses, you are going to see some few, I think we have about 3 courses here. Instagram influencer marketing, learn website design in less than an hour using ChatGPT, and introduction to Scratch programming. Because we are just starting, we just dropped these few courses to catch your attention. We are coming back with resourceful and well curated contents for different kind of fields that are going to help you to level up, to up your game in this age of AI. So we are going to be inundating you with a lot of life-changing courses and trainings and modules that will help you to learn new things and leverage the tools of this era, which is artificial intelligence, in doing your business, in promoting your career, in teaching your kids, in fact, in doing everything. So instead of getting scared of what is in it for you in AI, do you understand? You will actually be on top of your game. You will actually see how useful and how AI can actually help or augment whatever you are doing, and will make life quite easier for you. So we are going into introduction to Scratch programming. So before you can access this resource, first of all you have to click join this course. When you click join this course, this thing is going to tell you to log in if you are already a member of our platform, or you have to create an account. So most of you are going to create an account for the first time. All you just have to do is to enter your email address, enter your full name, password, and reconfirm the password, and that is it. Take for instance now that I'm signing in as jane.doe at gmail.com, and my name is Jane, surname is Doe. I can use this thing to generate my password, and I will just click sign up. Once I click sign up now, I will sign up to this course, and let's just get through it and see where it will take us to. Now I have joined the course as Jane Doe. So since I have joined the course as Jane Doe, let me click join again, and you see where I will get myself. So it has told me that I have enrolled. Remember that the email address I use is jane.doe@gmail.com. That email is likely going to belong to someone somewhere, or it might not exist. So you have to use your real email address to sign up. So when you sign up and now try to access any of these calls, you might get another notification. Okay, that is it. You have joined us already. So you can click.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Scratch, which allows you to make your own computer programs.
That is it.
Hi. If you want to start learning how to make your own computer programs,
let's just get out of there. That is how you go about it. Then you go to the second one. You play whatever it talks about and all that. So that is it. So first of all, you have to join us. But remember, because this is a new account, your account has not been verified yet. So you have to, with the correct email you have to click here to verify your email address. So if you click here now, you will receive an email from us. So this email is actually correct to someone. So the person will get this email now we have sent, but make sure you use your own email address, because if you are not verified, you won't be able to get all the perks our platform offers. So that is it basically. So parents, join en masse and do not allow this summer of free coding to elude you and your world. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And as I said, okay, before I close this introduction, the best way to learn to participate in this program is to go to scratch.mit.edu. When you come here now, you can join Scratch by clicking Join Scratch. When you sign up, you are going to have all the tools you need to do whatever you have to do on Scratch online using a web browser. But the issue is, if you don't have internet connection, you won't be able to access these resources. So that's why I would advise that instead of using the online version, the cloud-based version, you have to use the on-premise version, which will now make us to go down to this footer of this site. If you come to the footer under resources, you can see download. If you click the download menu there, sub menu there, it will bring you to this place. You are told to choose your operating system or OS. Automatically the system has detected that I'm using a Mac OS X, so that's why this one is highlighted in this mauve color. If you are using Windows, this Windows would likely have been highlighted and all that. So you go ahead and download. When you download, install. I'm not going to download this because the file is quite much. So once you are done with the download, you can make use of Scratch in your system, so that whether you are online or offline, you can always work. So that is it. So that is one thing you have to do. And there are 1001 resources you can find. Look at all the featured projects. Most of these projects were created by professionals, some created by children, like your own child in the house and all that. So let them learn this rudimentary framework of coding, which is what Scratch offers. Scratch offers this kind of Lego kind of way of, most of us know what the word Lego stands for. So you add the piece together to create one image or the other, to solve a puzzle, to do this or do that and all that. So that is the kind of pattern of learning Scratch introduces to programming, so that the confusion and the thinking behind coding of being an enigmatic pursuit can be a kind of disassembled, and that's very thinking a kind of giving the meaning that it is not true. So that is just what the idea behind Scratch is. So if your child participates very actively in this, one thing about this is that don't force the child on this. Just download this software for them, let them play around with it, let them master the UI, the user interface and all that. Let them play around. The creators of Scratch made it in such a way that it is a kind of a hands-on learning system, where if you allow someone to interact with it over time, the person will have a hang of it and will be able to do amazing things with it. So do not pressure the child. Allow them to play along, to play with the system, and you will see the magic that will happen therefrom. Things like this, you see the children creating this kind of stuff inside a Scratch IDE, integrated development environment. So once they start playing with Scratch, you will, on your own eyes, you will see them playing around with stuff like this. Allow them to do that their children kind of thing with it for about a week or thereabout. When they become comfortable with it now, they can now go back to our introductory course on Scratch programming. So all these things will start making a lot more sense for them. So that is it basically. I have to end this presentation.